My name is Lorenzo Emilio Jantayag, and I'm doing a video presentation or a workout with uh, warm up workout, the actual workout, and then the cool down or the post workout, and then yeah, that's it. So first off, we're gonna start with jumping jacks. Okay. Okay. Next one is arm circles. Then counterclockwise. So second one is the leg swings. Okay. Okay. And then we're doing another 10 seconds of high knees. Okay. After that, we're going to do butt kicks. Okay, 10 seconds again. Okay, then finally we're doing a torso twists, okay, or torso rotations. And then the opposite, another 10. Okay, now we're on to the actual workout. Okay, first off, what we're gonna do is the lower body. We have two workouts. Okay, we're gonna start off with some squats, regular squats. Okay. Okay. After that, we're gonna do lunges. 10 to 12 reps again with each legs. Okay, first off. Okay, other leg. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Now that we're done with that, we're going to do our upper body, which is 10 to 12 reps of push-ups. We're gonna try. We're gonna do some extras because I forgot where I'm at. And again, we're gonna do is arm raises, but we don't have any dumbbells here, so I guess nothing will do. Or I guess this chair. This chair. I guess this will work. That's 15. Now we're moving on to the cores. Last two cores. Okay, we're gonna start off with some sit-ups, I guess. Sorry, I don't have a mat, but we're gonna make do. Now, moving on to the last workout, which is some guess planks for what, 30 seconds. Okay. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. That was hard. I don't do planks. And then moving on to the 8 cool downs. Okay, first we're going to do some neck stretches. So 1, 3, okay, this side, okay, then we're going to do some shoulder stretches, I guess. This will do. And the other one. And then we're going to do some arm stretches, okay? The other one. And then that's the third one, I guess. And then we'll do is some side stretches, I guess. Other one. Then we're moving on to our hamstring stretches, okay? I don't know how to do that, so yes, this will do. Okay? Then, oh, I don't actually know how to do that. It's the last ones. Quadricep stretches. 10 seconds each. Then we'll do some calf stretches. Yes, this will do. Some calf raises. Now we're gonna do some deep breathing for 10 seconds each. Okay, inhale, exhale, 10 seconds. I think that's about enough. So, final one is, actually that's done. That's all of it. Okay, thank you for watching.